how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect a soundbar to your PlayStation 3. Now, you just want to go ahead and set everything up from the soundbar side. Make sure that you connect your soundbar to your television because PS3 does not support audio output. So connect your soundbar right here to the television that you're connecting your PS3 into. Of course, we need to use a monitor for this one. Now, in some other cases, your soundbar will be connected as an audio jack, as a USB port, or using this audio outputs right here. Right after connecting your soundbar onto the audio jack right here, and after confirming that the TV is now outputting the audio to the speakers, you just want to go ahead and use the HDMI port. Now, basically, HDMI does also contain audio. By doing it this way, basically we are eliminating bottleneck and we are also eliminating lag. So just go ahead and plug the HDMI onto the television once again that you want to use. Plug the soundbar to the same television, and from there you should be good to go. Your PlayStation will now output the audio onto the soundbar that we have. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.